Operating systems, or the virtual computer, are something normally overlooked by the average user. But as computing students, we need to be aware of the jobs operating systems do and how they do it. First, though, we're going to look at why we need them. Without an operating system that standardizes the running of the computer, every single possible task would have to be hand-coded onto the hard drive. For example, if you wanted to even use a keyboard, you'd have to write a code that tells the computer how to react to each individual key. Time-consuming doesn't even begin to describe this. More importantly though, without an operating system, you could only run one program. Things like microwaves don't need operating systems, as they only perform one function. But operating systems allow for at least the illusion of programs running simultaneously. To the average user, the physical and virtual computer is viewed as the same thing. As long as it works how they expect, there is normally no need to dissect this further. But they are definitely not the same thing. If they were, you wouldn't be able to run multiple operating systems on the same hardware. So what are an operating system's main jobs? The first is to manage system resources. Like a good manager, it makes sure all the programs get the appropriate amount of attention from the central processing unit, memory, storage, and input-output bandwidth. The operating system also provides a consistent way for apps to deal with hardware without having to know the ins and outs of the hardware. This makes life a whole lot easier for app developers.